All right, so we are in the admin panel now. This is the backend panel for the game. This is available. I mean, this application is available only for the admin team. Either it could be Kevin or someone from Kevin team can have access to it. So there are two actually ways to get into the platform. So one is email ID and password, and the other one is connecting through the wallet. So at the moment, we have the test user ID, and also we have the test password, but this could be changed in future with whatever the email ID and password is from Kevin team. We do have the 2FA, which is going into email. Now we are in the dashboard. So basically this dashboard was built to actually show all of the blockchain related functionalities. So this dashboard can be extended to cover all the other mobile app functions as well in future if needed. But at the moment, actually, our focus was to handle all of the core activities related to the blockchain scope. But however, if you can, as you can see here, so it almost it has everything related to the game. So let me explain one by one. Total revenue on top, it's basically all of the revenue coming into the game through the gamers. So at the moment, so we mapped only the crypto payments, but this can be extended to include the fiat as well. So here you might actually in future see that crypto plus fiat included, and then so you could actually click on the button like a 7 days, 1 month, and year to date to see what was the revenue to the game in last 7 days or a month. So total number of players at the moment for the testing, we actually 5 members from my team played the game. So just a 5 at the moment. Again, like this could be a very big number when we have the game live. And again, you have an option to see whether how many new players added in last 7 days, 1 month, or year to date. Underneath, you have 2 payment sections: escrow funds and available to withdraw. So I will explain what is escrow funds. Basically, escrow funds is the prize money that we would like to offer to the winners. So this is a crypto fund. So at the moment, it's just $100 is sitting in there. I will show you how are we going to actually add more funds into the escrow. And then so underneath is available to withdraw, which is basically like any money that is coming into the game through the players. Whoever is actually topping, like recharging the wallet through the smart contract is going to come in here, and then the wallet, the owner of the contract can withdraw the funds. So how it works is so one whitelisted MetaMask wallet, I mean the Web3 wallet, will have that option to withdraw the funds directly from the smart contract. Only that particular wallet. If you connect with any other wallet, this function will fail, not only here and also in the smart contract. So this could be one of the team members from Kevin, who seems to be very with the hands-on interacting with the contracts. Okay, now let's okay, I will explain the other features we have, and then we will go into the escrow fund if I'm adding funds functionality. Recent transaction, it shows like the name of the player, and then what's the recharge amount, which time they have recharged. So anyone is recharging through the mobile app, all they will come in here. So you could actually see the money that is coming into the game. You see the transaction hash linked here. This is basically works for all the blockchain based crypto payments. So if you click on that, it will take you to the blockchain explorer to see the transactions. Okay, which wallet was interacting with the game, what was the token amount and everything. Okay, please go back to the game, Deep. Right, next one is the leaderboard, top 5 players. So based on the number of words they have achieved, so it is going to actually bring up the top 5 players for any given time. At the moment, when we are actually taking this recording, so the game is completed. So on the other hand, we actually have the winner as well. So Paul Benjamin is the winner of the game. As you can see, he sits on the top, and then we have the 4 remaining users underneath. Can you go down, Adima? So leadership, leaderboard is once again the same thing. Like it's going to show all of the users in the game. At the moment, we have only 5 test users. However, it could be up to any level. And anyone is whoever is like getting into the game, they get started, so they will start to appear here on this table. So you will be able to see all of the users, how much they actually spent, and also like how much they recharged, etc. Again, so this is available only for the backend admin, not for the gamers. So gamers will not know how much they are spending. Only the project admin will know, what's the income coming into the project, and then if needed, he can also check what's the income from each of these users. You do have the timestamping, like when was the last login from this user, and when this user started using the game, and then etc. Right, so that's all the functionalities for the dashboard. Now I will quickly go to the multi-sign page, and then we'll come back to the dashboard. Yeah, click on that. Okay, you see the multi-sign page here. So this page, the main use case for this page is, as soon as the winner is actually achieved, I mean winner is selected, in other words. So here, 3 admins from the Kevin team is going to authorize the funds to go through from the escrow smart contract. So the step number 1, it's nothing for admin to do. Step number 1 is basically getting the wallet submitted by the winner, which happens in the mobile app, not here. So if I'm a winner, once I complete my 24 words puzzle, I will be prompted to enter the preferred Web3 wallet. Okay, so once again, so here we asking the users to give us the preferred Web3 wallet to send the prize money. And once again, the reason why we are not taking, parking the funds into that the 24 words ways, we are not going to use the Web3 wallets anymore to send the prize money. So we are asking the exclusive user specific wallet address from the winner, so that we can transfer the funds to that particular winner. That's a step number 1. That gets initiated from the mobile app, not from here. As you can see, we have the Paul Benjamin as a winner, and we know when he completed the game, and also the valid address. He submitted this valid address with the 2FA from the mobile app that you will see in the mobile application demo video. So he has completed that step. So here also it shows like step number 1 is completed. Step number 2 is basically going to actually choose what's going to be the price money. For example, like you would like to choose anything different between 50,000, or maybe anything you'd like to offer, maybe split that into different players or any in the games. You have option to do it. This is, we kept it as a flexible, so you could actually specify how much is the price money here, and then go with the next step. Step number 3 is actually giving signature for from each admin. So we have 3 admin wallets to authorize the funds to go through the escrow. So there will be first signature, second signature, and third signature is received, and then the money gets transferred to the winner, to that particular wallet. So that step number 4 actually happens in the blockchain. I mean, all of these steps are actually linked to the smart contract. It happens in the blockchain. However, the money transferred at step number 4, it will be through the blockchain. And then the moment that the all 3 signatures are completed, automatically the funds from the escrow gets transferred to the given user wallet. On the other hand, user will be able to see that the money is being sent to the Web3 wallet through the mobile app. I mean, once he log into the mobile app, you will have a confirmation says that, okay, the money has been transferred to your wallet. You will see that in a minute inside the mobile, but we will go through all of these steps here. Can you go back to the home page, please? He's sending $50,000 to the escrow smart contract. Basically, he's actually funding the escrow contract with the prize money now. Okay, the transactions are happening in the blockchain. See, this is happening. Okay. Okay, so we got 55,000 in the balance now. Right, can you also show withdrawal, please? So we have the 26,000 from the one more smart contract, which is actually top-up contract. So we're going to withdraw 20,000 from out of the 26,000. Yes, take out the funds. Okay, so the fund was taken. So this was transferred to that particular Kevin or maybe the admin wallet now. So we have the enough price money sitting in the escrow contract. Go to the multi-sign, leave that one, go to the multi-sign, please. Yeah. Okay, now we are ready to go. So step number 1 is completed. Can you click on approve? Yeah. So it shows like you see this, if you have $55,000 sitting in the escrow contract. So you have option to choose how much is the price money for this game and how much you like to transfer. Yeah, go for the 50,000, please. Submit. Now the main admin is initiating the transfer. He actually fixing how much should be the price money. Okay, so step number 2 is completed. So he has initiated $50,000 to transfer. So now the approval 1 is done. Yeah, go for the first approval. So okay, here I will explain. It shows the first approval button is enabled now only after the step number 2 is completed. It is enabled because it recognizes the smart contract recognize the connected wallet is one of those admins. So we have the 3 admins. If you actually connect with a different wallet, this button will not be available for that particular wallet. So which means like this approval cannot be given by any other wallet except whitelisted wallet. Okay, please go ahead and give the approval. Okay, so it's completed now. Right. So next one, so change the wallet, login, log out, and login as next admin, please. Be number 2. Okay. So now the second approval is going to be given. Yeah, please go ahead. So he's actually going to give the approval as a third admin. So he's actually, so this is the last admin to give approval. So once this approval is given, so the fund will be transferred from escrow contract into the user wallet. So what we have seen now is step number 1, which is basically whitelisting the player wallet in the escrow contract, which happens in the mobile app. Step number 2 is the main admin, who is owner of the contract, is actually fixing the price money to start with, and then so there are 3 signatures required from 3 admins for the funds to be transferred. And then so now everything is done. So we're going to press the last button, approve button. That's going to transfer the funds to the gamer. Okay, right. So he's going to actually connect as a main admin, and then click that the last button to be transferred to the user wallet. Yeah, approve that, please. Okay, it's completed. Click on the view scan, please. Yeah. Okay, so show the fund is 50,000 is transferred to the user wallet. Everything is completed. Come back to the home screen. So as you can see, the 50,000 from the escrow wallet has gone through. So you have only 5,000 left now, and you had like 26,000 available in the as a revenue, but that was taken out like 20,000 last time. So everything else is like we have seen already. So that's it from the admin side. And now actually we will on the mobile app video demos, we will show the how that user is actually able to see the price money is being transferred. Okay, thank you.